Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to learn GK, page number 10, landmark cues. Landmarks are useful in finding our ways. It helps us remembering the location of the place. A landmark is a building or an object that help you identify a location or the boundary of a piece of land. Okay? Sanji Stupa. It is located in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Children, you know, it is one of the most ancient and famous Buddhist monument in India. The Sanji Stupa was constructed in the honor of Lord Buddha by Emperor Ashoka. Here you can see the picture of Golden Gate Bridge. It is one of the most beautiful bridges in the world. Yes, this is one of the most beautiful bridges in the world. The Golden Gate Bridge is a bridge that crosses over the San Francisco to Marin country in the US state of California. Westminster Abbey, London, UK. One of the more popular landmarks to tour in London is Westminster Abbey. It has been the coronation church for the British monarch since 1066. Okay? A royal church in the center of London, offering daily service for all, and a World Heritage Site with over 1,000 years of history. In the next picture, we can see Arc de Triomphe, Paris, France. It is a famous landmark in France. It is a well-known monument in Paris, built in the honor of the French army soldiers who fought and died for France during the War of Revolution. Okay? Look at this picture carefully. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world, Colosseum, Rome, Italy. It is an amphitheater built during the time of Roman Empire in Rome. Stonehenge, Wiltshire, UK. It is one of the most famous landmark in the United Kingdom. It is one of the most famous site in the world. Yes, children, this is one of the most famous sites in the world. It consists of a ring of standing stones, each around 13 feet high, 7 feet wide, and weighing around 25 tons. Yes, it is one of the most famous landmark in the United Kingdom. Yes, that is Stonehenge, Wiltshire, UK. Okay. Children, do you know the 7 wonders of the world? Colosseum, Christ the Redeemer, Taj Mahal, Petra, Chichen Itza, Machu Picchu, the Great Wall of China. Okay, children, you have to learn the spellings properly and write all the answers in your GK textbook. Okay, take care of your health. Have a nice day.